Okay, I love this one. What are the measures of FBG and, angle FBG and angle ABC? So let's just trace them out and see what we're dealing with. We're dealing with FBG. Okay, so let's deal with that first. If we're going to find out what this is measuring, we're going to pick either the inside track or the outside track. Doesn't matter which, we'll get the same result. We've just got to stay consistent. And we're going to look at the numbers. So here, it crosses at 90. Here it crosses right between 120 and 130. So our numbers are 90 and 125. We're always going to subtract bigger minus smaller. Angle measures, these angle measures will always be positive. And we get 35. So we know that FBG is 35. Just to see what would happen if we use the inside track. The inside track happens to be at 90. They're both the same. They cross at 90, right, straight up. So that one's also 90. And this is, 55, halfway between 50 and 60. So we do 90 minus 55. So either way, we get angle FBG is 35, and 35-degree angles are acute. So we've got FBG is 35, FBG is acute. That's going to eliminate this one, because it says it's 45, and it's not. And it's going to eliminate this one, because it says that it's a straight angle, and straight angle, no. Straight angles are 180. Okay, now we're going to look at A to B to C. Okay, A to B to C is this one here to this one here. We can see that's perfectly flat. If we followed our rules, we would say, let's say inside track here, 180, minus this other inside track, 0. 180 minus 0 is 180. You can just look at it, and you say, I can just look at that and say that A to B to C, perfectly straight line, that is a straight angle, and it is 180. So which one has measure of ABC is 180 and ABC is straight? That one. That's our answer. We're done. By the way, just to look at this, we already knew that this first part was true on both of these. So if we look at what remains there down here, it says measure of angle ABC is 170 and it is obtuse. Well, if it was 170, it would be obtuse. But this is straight. It's not. There's no bend in it at all at the vertex B, so it can't be less than 180.